I'm in Aruba and I wanted to make a video if this is the real baby beach. I know it's not, but basically since we had a little one 13 months ago, she's 1 year old already, every time we take her to this beach right here. This is what we call the talk of the town beach. If you can see, families just chilling here. Today is Wednesday, it's 5 o'clock and you see kids, family, and the water is pretty shallow, so it's an ideal place for family to come and visit this beach. I find it one of the best places for kids, even though there's so pros and cons. Basically for me this is the baby beach since the water is so shallow, so relaxing. The road is right there. We call it the talk of the town beach. I don't know, maybe there's like a more local name, but yeah, to me this is the baby beach. The darker side of the water is like grass, seagrass, so you can only swim like first few steps, you can only swim over there. But it's pretty chill. Why you should come here? Because there isn't a lot of tourists. This isn't a propaganda, and you can park right there. There's like a boardwalk, lazy walk. You can see airplanes landing. Qualquer avião, baby. Yeah, there's plenty things to do and it's pretty relaxing. The downside is sometimes you do get like glasses in the water because there aren't many bins, and I think people just come here to drink and stuff like that. But yeah, it's pretty relaxing. I used to come here and we used to go on the jet ski, and we used to go on right over there to the Sonesta Island. You can see Ava in the water chilling with Opa and with Mom. Ava. It's a pretty relaxing place, but Sunday is really packed. I think all the families come Sunday to chill with the kids and stuff like that. So this is one of the last local areas that you have that there's no hotel in the area or anything, so just me with the sound of the waves. But yeah, I think it's pretty debatable that this is the baby beach. The water is quite calm. There's not a lot of stream here, which is important for the kids and the babies. And it isn't as packed as Baby Beach, because I think people on TikTok have made Baby Beach really viral. So let me know in the comments if you agree, and if you don't agree, let me know too. I'm pretty comfortable with this agreement, so please let me know, and please hit the like and subscribe button. Until the next time, I'm going to enjoy the beach now. Sea store.